The following message to transmitted to request to United States and National Weather Service. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A global emergency will affect the entire world. At 4:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, there are many reports all tornadoes are touched in once. The tornadoes are EF0, EF1, EF2, EF3, EF4, and EF5 are reported in all across the world. Many homes and buildings will be destroyed by these tornadoes. Some people die by these tornadoes in some locations. All residents in the world will go to shelters. Bring home supplies with you. Bring families and pets in the shelter to keep it safe. Stay tuned for more news and local area.